Hey friends, welcome back to the vlog. Today is going to be yet another super productive weekend in my life, where I worship at the altar of productivity to avoid having to think about what the wider purpose of my life actually is. I wake up just before 9 a.m, take off my mouth tape, and turn off my minimalistic alarm clock before donning my Hokage outfit and heading over to my desk for an art lesson. For an hour, I work on my drawing of Doctor Strange, starting with the basic sketch and then adding details. I'm now 2 months into my New Year's journey of trying to become a concept artist, and I've definitely noticed an improvement. I've particularly enjoyed revisiting my understanding of human anatomy through the lens of an artist, where I find totally random reference photos on the internet and attempt to draw them. You know, this art thing is really rather enjoyable. Who knew? All right, so 1 hour art lesson completed. This productive weekend is off to a pretty good start. I've got an hour of writing with my Zoom co-working group linked in the video description, and I'm gonna grab some quick breakfast because I've got a workout in an hour and I need my energy up for that. For my breakfast, I'm having a cheeky portion of Huel, who are very excitingly sponsoring this video. I've been using Huel regularly for the past 4 years, and I've got an extensive collection at home. One of my favorites is the banana flavored edition. You add water, add in 3 scoops of Huel, and stick it in a blender, and you get a nutritionally complete meal that tastes like banana milkshake. I don't use Huel for every meal, as you guys know, but especially for breakfast when I don't have much time to cook a proper meal, it's really useful to have something with decent amounts of protein that's much healthier than the sugary breakfast cereal alternative. If you like the idea of an affordable, healthy, nutritionally complete meal, then head over to Huel.com by hitting the link in the video description. Once my Huel shake is ready, I join my daily Zoom co-working group. Today we've got 150 people of all ages from all around the world joining to work together using the Pomodoro technique, while my Spotify instrumental Study With Me playlist plays in the background for everyone. As usual, we've got a few kids spamming the chat, but for the most part, it's a wholesome and supportive community. I'm running these free Zoom co-working sessions every weekday for the next few months to help me have some accountability and community while I write my book. So if you fancy joining them, hit the link in the video description to register, and you'll be able to join for free, and then I'll feel like I've actually got friends. The writing session goes on until 11 a.m. when I hop on another Zoom call with Dan, my personal trainer. Dan is helping me on my journey to get six-pack abs on my quest to look like Zac Efron. He reminds me to take care of my nutrition, which is exactly what I'm doing with Huel, and then we do a grueling circuit of sumo squats, overhead press, kettlebell swings, band pull-downs, and jumping lunges. All right, so that is the workout done. Exercise is very bad for you. You shouldn't do it. And now I need to have a shower, and then we're gonna grab some crepes for a healthy post-workout lunch. See you in a bit. After my warm shower, where I was practicing my freestyle rap skills, I dry my hair, do my productive skincare routine, and set Hermione up to warm up, ready for a short ride to grab some crepes. We get home around 1 p.m. when I hop on another Zoom call for a close-up magic coaching session with my friend Matthew Lamotti, who's one of the best magicians in the UK. Matthew's just started his own YouTube channel, and in return for me coaching him on YouTube, he's helping me craft a performance for my entrance exam to join the Magic Circle. The Magic Circle is one of the most prestigious magical organizations in the world, and joining the Magic Circle has been a dream of mine since I started doing close-up magic 10 years ago in an attempt to increase my sexual market value. We're building up a 10-minute performance, and so we discuss the storytelling that we're going to incorporate into the show and exchange a few methods for sleight of hand that I might be able to use for some of the tricks. Check out Matthew's channel to learn how to shuffle cards like a pro, and a load of other cool stuff that he's got in the works.
Out of interest, what other... So we've got money making is a big asset or a big something that you like to talk about, like to share.
Yeah.
What else is there that you sort of big topics like that you'd like to share about?
Entrepreneurship. Starting a business, starting a side hustle, that sort of thing. Another huge part of, and I think this might be what my book is going to be about, is the idea of finding fun in the things that you're doing. Because getting ahead involves being able to do lots and lots of boring things. And if you can make them fun, then everything just becomes better and you're more productive as a result of it. So something like that. After our magic session ends at 2 p.m, I decide that the strawberry, banana and Nutella crepe that I had probably wasn't the best lunch. So I decide to make myself some more Huel. This time their hot and savory mix that I've been using for the past few months. Just add hot water and you get a healthy, tasty soup/pasta crossover that's fantastic for when you can't be bothered to cook, which is the position I often find myself in. After gobbling this down, I head back to the computer, and from 3 to 4 p.m, I have a freestyle rap coaching session with Gavin from Flow Fam.
Ali.
I'm on a journey to try and learn how to freestyle rap in an attempt to increase my street credibility, and Gavin takes me through various exercises to try and unlock flow.
Got my tape on my desk with my camera, and now I don't know cause I'm a rapper, and I never thought I'd
We end the session with an interesting exercise to unlock our inner feelings with empathy.
Empathy is like getting angry because my mom was getting Vicodin when she had her heart surgery, and it was clearly stated that it was something that she was allergic to. And I couldn't withstand my anger because I love her so much.
Empathy is like when you upset your friend and you know that something that you did has hurt them, and you can see why that thing that you did has hurt them. And you feel a sense of sadness, a sense of regret, a sense of I'm so sorry that you're feeling this way. I'm so sorry that I've caused you to feel this way. We say our goodbyes at 4 p.m. when the productive day continues with a live workshop for my students of the current cohort of the Part-Time YouTuber Academy themed around Notion for beginners. Notion is the tool that my team and I use for most of our video related stuff, but it can seem intimidating to newcomers, so we have a chill session with me and 60 of our students where I'm showing them how to get started in a minimalist and non-intimidating fashion and answering any questions that the students have. The session finishes at 5 p.m. when I hop on a call with my friend Lucia, who's talked me into getting an Oculus Quest 2.
Whoa! What the hell? I can see it. Oh my god. I can hear stuff as well. Whoa. Oh my god. It's like
happening?
It's like I can see in 3D space. What the hell? That's so cool. Oh my god. Okay, right. Oculus.com/pairing.
After getting set up and downloading the updates and a few games, Lucia and I play a game of Top Golf, which she wins by a mile, and a few games of Beat Saber, which is ridiculously fun and which she wins again by a mile. This screencast really doesn't do it justice. It's ridiculously immersive and really, really good. From 6:30 to 7 p.m, I do a little photo shoot for my housemate Sheen. She's filming a TED Talk next week because she's a huge deal, and she wanted to try out various outfits for it. So, because I'm such a good friend, I snap lots and lots of photographs of her and tell her that she looks great. From 7 p.m. onwards, I have another freestyle rap coaching session, this time with my friend Michael, who runs Ultra Speaking, a public speaking course that I've been doing for the past few weeks. Michael and I wrap up our session around 8 p.m, just in time for the arrival of takeaway.
All right, so that's all of the scheduled productive activities for the day done. Now we have ordered some Indian takeaway, surprise, surprise. I need to get my protein in, and yeah, it's going to be lit. How do you feel?
Hungry.
Why do you feel hungry?
It's been a while since we've eaten, hasn't it?
Why don't you have some Huel?
You didn't offer.
It's available for you whenever you want it.
Well, now I know. Thank you.
Look at that. Look at that.
Just the right amount of oil. I got us a fish worry.
Oh no, why you did it to me?
I know. This is your plain naan. This is our fish worry.
While munching on our takeaway, Sheen and I watch an episode of The Mentalist, and then from 9 p.m. onwards, we switch to a Bollywood movie called Kapoor and Sons, featuring Fawad Khan and Alia Bhatt. I intend to do some reading on my iPad while the film's on in the background, but it's actually really good, and I end up watching the whole thing like a total wasteman. The film finishes around 11:30 p.m. At this point, I think about going to sleep, but instead I make us some chamomile tea, and we end the day by having a chat while I'm doing weird things with a deck of cards in my hand. If you like this video, you should definitely check out this playlist, which has a few more productive days in my life. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.